फिल्म में ऑन स्क्रीन आपने और रणवीर ने शादी कर ली है, तो ऑफ स्क्रीन हम लोगों को ये कब सुनने को मिल रहा है?
No comment.
दीपिका, आई वांटेड टू आस्क कि डिम्पल जी को इतना हॉट एंड हैपनिंग लुक दिया गया है एंड कंपैरेटिवली आपका लुक उतना हैपनिंग नहीं है, तो क्या आपको कभी लगा नहीं कि दीपिका डिम्पल जी जैसा हॉट एंड हैपनिंग आपका भी होना चाहिए?
To begin with, she is hot and happening, and there's no way I'm competing with her. But also, I think we all try and stay true to the character that we are in the film. When I'm part of a film, I'm not playing Deepika Padukone. Neither do I consider myself hot or happening. I think we're just trying to be true to the character. The girl Angie that I'm playing is someone who's she's very very real. जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं, the girl next door. She's someone who's very approachable. She's very loving. She's very sensitive, very caring. And she's naive, she's innocent, and so I think when you're styled in a film, you're styled based on what the character that you're playing.
I think Dimple ma'am will be very happy that you found her look glamorous.
नहीं, definitely she's looking very hot. Arjun, my next question is for you. इसमें रणवीर is playing a cameo and उनका और दीपिका का जो मैरिज वाला पिक्चर है लीक हुआ है, काफ़ी लोगों को पसंद आया है. So I just want to know कि क्या
I just want to say कि वो लीक नहीं हुआ है, हमने ही दिया है.
तो आपको कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि he'll steal the show, मतलब वो ज़्यादा पसंद आया है?
यार मैंने उसके साथ पूरी पिक्चर की and वो that thought never crossed my mind. So if he's coming in and being gracious for a scene, अगर हम इतनी छोटी सोच रखेंगे when it comes to working with fellow actors and him providing his one day to add certain value to an emotion in the film, you can't think like that. It's about having fun. I mean, this entire film for me has been that journey. So, like she said, you don't compare yourself and think like that. And why would he want to steal my thunder? Why would I want to steal his thunder? Why can't we coexist? And why can't you guys be happy that we're always coexisting?
When actors come together, especially for a film like Finding Fanny, where there are so many actors, nobody's trying to steal anybody's thunder. The only intention, and trust me on this, is to make a good movie and to entertain the audience. If any one of us was uncomfortable sharing screen space with the other, we would not have even been a part of the film to begin with. So obviously our intentions are very clear, and that's why you're comfortable sharing screen space with 5 other actors.
And just to add to the situation, he's playing my friend and her friend in the film. So we both have a connect to the character. It's not just that he's married to her in the film. There is a connect from my character's perspective also. So that's why he adds even more value by being there, even for that one small sequence.
ये बूटिया का क्या मतलब होता है?
जड़ी बूटी. बूटिया का मतलब क्या होता है? ये जो मेरी थोड़ी कम है, लेकिन है तो सही.
ये इतना प्रोमिनेंट क्यों होता जा रहा है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, स्पेशली
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में नहीं, आम जिंदगी में भी जब लोग नाचते हैं तो सबसे पहले यही करते हैं ना. जब शुरू करते हैं तो वही हिलती है पहले.
गाने में इतना क्यों प्रोमिनेंट होता जा रहा है? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले एक और अंजन की सिटी में हमारा बम डोले. आई मीन
Sorry?
इतना प्रोमिनेंट है ये. खूबसूरत नाम की एक फिल्म आ रही है.
हाँ सुना है मैंने, उसमें सोनम कपूर है ना.
हाँ जी. ये वर्ड इतना कॉमन क्यों होता जा रहा है?
यार लोग सबसे पहले यही हिलाते नाचते वक्त ना. तो आई थिंक द गाइज हु मेक म्यूजिक आर फाइनली रियलाइजिंग सबसे पहले यही हिलता है, तो इसके बारे में हम गाने बनाना शुरू करेंगे.
I think what happens is when you automatically start hearing a fun song and a song that you want to dance to,
that word creates a situation ना, that you're thinking अरे ये अलग word है.
Generally, the lower part of the body you start tapping your feet, you start moving your legs, and in the process, the booty starts moving as well.
मतलब shake your tongue on the floor में वो बात नहीं है ना.
है कि नहीं?
Shake your हाथ on the floor, shake your गर्दन on the floor, उसमें कुछ ये बात shake your booty, हाँ ये अच्छा ये.
Hi Arjun, Deepika, Alok here from OFM.
Sir, why are you still wearing sunglasses?
क्योंकि
Wait,
लगे ना कि मैं जग के आया हूँ टाइप्स.
आप और मैं जो लोखंड वाला से आया करें. जी.
मेरा आप दोनों से सवाल है कि सुबह इन जनरल आप कितने बजे उठ जाते हैं?
जब दीपिका पादुकोण बोलती है मैं आ जाता हूँ उठ के.
दीपिका, कभी ऐसे वक्त पे सुबह 8-9 बजे आपने पहले कभी प्रेस कॉन की है? याद आता है?
We've troubled you.
नो, मैं तो 5 बजे उठता हूँ.
नहीं, कल मुझे जो मिले थे बोला था अरे सुबह 8:30 बजे पहुंचना है. कैसे? मैंने बोला हाँ मुझे भी 8:30 बजे पहुंचना है कल सुबह. यही दोनों शख्स, पहचानिए इन दोनों को, यही दोनों थे कल शाम को मेरे सामने.
अच्छा, आप दोनों की जो तस्वीरें हैं, अर्जुन आपके तस्वीर के ऊपर लिखा है रोमांस एंड दीपिका आपके ऊपर लव. अर्जुन, आपके लिए रोमांस क्या है एंड दीपिका आपके लिए लव क्या है, अगर डिस्क्राइब कर सकें हिंदी में?
If you are in love, you should have the ability to romance the girl that you're in love with, or guy, if you're in love with. I think there has to be love for there to be romance. So you have to feel very passionately. अगर आप किसी की तरफ बहुत passionately feel करते हैं, उनके बिना जी नहीं सकते, उनके बिना रह नहीं सकते, वो आपकी ज़िंदगी का बहुत अहम हिस्सा है या वो आपकी ज़िंदगी है, तो आप किसी भी हद तक जाएंगे वो रोमांस होता है. Doing small things, that's romantic. Just being able to make that person smile is romantic. So romance comes in many variables. बहुत अलग-अलग तरीकों से romance हो सकता है. But the important feeling is there has to be love for you to have a genuine romance with somebody.
I don't think you can define it. Love, romance, it's a feeling. You know, I don't think you can define it. It means different things for different people. The feeling is different towards different people. The love you feel for your parents is different for the love you feel for your friend, is different for the love you feel for your husband or your lover. So yeah, but I think the bottom line is, according to me, love is the only universal language.
जब पहली बार अर्जुन आपको मालूम पड़ा कि दीपिका आपके साथ काम कर रही हैं और जब आपको मालूम पड़ा कि अर्जुन आपके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, दोनों का पहला रिएक्शन, वो फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या था?
Wow. और क्या है? It happened in a very nice way. Homi told me, and then it kind of just sunk in that we are doing a film that we wouldn't have imagined, at least working together in a film like this to begin with. वो एक conventional casting होती है ना, when you're just starting out as a main lead actor, you're thinking, okay, when you work with Deepika, it'll be a romantic film, it'll be a typical Hindi film. So I was really excited that we're doing something that is unique. And she had mentioned this film to me. Ironically, I'd met her at Yashraj. She was shooting for Race 2 at the time, and she had said, there's this really interesting film that Homi is planning on doing, and I'm really excited, and I hope it comes through. And she didn't mention anything more. So I knew when I heard it, I said, this is the film that she was talking about. So it fell into place really nicely. I think it was good that we both chose to come together in a very interesting space rather than the conventional one.
Hi, Deepika.
For me, I think the minute I got the first narration of the film, or when Homi and me were working on it, doing workshops, or when we were discussing the film, and when he did mention Arjun and casting Arjun as Savio, I think it was the perfect fit. You know, I think very, very rarely in your career, and I've said this before, very rarely in your career do you get a part where you get to be very similar to the kind of person that you are. And I feel he just fit into this. I feel like he more or less had to just be himself. And I think he's absolutely perfect for the part.
Hi, Deepika.
Breaking
Thank you.
news.
Hi.
Tell me, even I want to know.
Okay,
Huh? Breaking news.
Before that, I have a question. Sorry to interrupt.
Huh? Say na, even I want to know. Please.
Okay, can I just ask my question?
No. Once I want to know what the breaking news is. Say na.
Okay, so here's one quote from Femina magazine, which you have given, that it feels nice to be unconditionally loved, about Ranveer Singh.
I asked you if it's
So-
breaking news.
So-
This is not breaking news.
But for us it is like इन दिनों लोग यहाँ पर अपने relationship
So the
accept
journalist
नहीं
called me up yesterday. The journalist called me up yesterday because the magazine hit the stands, I think, yesterday, and he's called to apologize because I was misquoted, or rather, he's used the answer of another question and printed another question, and he's cut paste the question and the answer, and he's made it seem like this. He called me up himself. I didn't have to say anything. He called me up himself to apologize, and he has said that in the next issue he is going to carry a clarification. So I told you there's no breaking news.
Okay.
I've never seen a more disappointed bunch of people. Oh.
Okay, of course, your film is about finding.
But isn't that a lovely cover? Have you seen the cover?
They went straight for the quote, boss. They've not checked your
They've gone right
photos.
to the end. No, I mean, yeah, of course. It's something that I've said, but it's been what do you say? The question was different, and I'd answered separately for that, and this was the answer for another question. So, कहीं पे कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है, and he's going to carry a clarification in the next issue. So look out for that. That will be breaking news.
Of course, your film is about finding Fanny. In real,
Not Fanny.
Fanny, not Fanny.
Fanny.
Of course, I got.
सर पिक्चर के पहले आप जो चाहे ढूंढ लो, हम फैनी को ढूंढ रहे हैं.
Okay, it's about finding Fanny. In the real world, there has been an incident where a year-old baby girl is finding her mother who's abandoned her in Varanasi outside a temple. I just need a reaction from you on that. और हिंदी में होगा तो बहुत अच्छा होगा.
What?
So,
That's how daughters are treated. Even though there is so much hue and cry about it.
I would just like to say one thing, sir. It's a very pertinent question. What you're asking, पर आप घुमा फिरा के हमारी पिक्चर का नाम लेके इस सवाल पे आना ताकि आपको एक कोट मिले. It's not relevant to what we are trying to speak about here. आपने सवाल पूछा, वो अगर हम वन ऑन वन कर रहे होते आप पूछते फिर भी अलग बात है. ये बहुत अजीब चीज हो जाती है अगर आप हमारी फिल्म का नाम इस्तेमाल करके you're talking about something that is contextual to not finding Fanny.
No, it's fine. It's
very strange.
You're talking about the girl child and a girl who's been abandoned because
Just a day old, sorry.
So, आप सीधा
she's
वो
just
पूछ
a day
लीजिए.
old. I hope if I could, I would. If I was not a working woman, I would have adopted her. I really hope she finds a nice and secure and a safe place, and I hope somebody adopts her. And I say this again, if I could, I would.